Hey guys, thank you guys for joining me. I'm Renee and welcome back to my channel. Today there's a little treat. I'm going to be showing you 2 cute little styles that you can do that's kind of fun and in trend right now. Now if you're wondering about my hair, this big, full, let's see, how many days is this? This is 9th day hair actually. So yeah, my hair is dirty. I need to wash it. But I don't feel like it today, so we're gonna rock it just like it is. So today, my guest is Yannabelle. As you can see, we did some really cute hair. We did a really cute hairstyle on her, like super cute.
Hair's already washed and we washed it last night. We're going to do our hair with them. As I am long in locks, I like it as I am. Curl enhancing smoothie. Yum. Anybody like smoothies out here? Curl control paste. Let's get started. Go to church. Wow. That thing you're using right now, it looks like a toothbrush. Looks like a wooden toothbrush. It is very, very old.
So we did a 3-strand twist on the back using the As I Am.
We put silver strings in it to add decoration. We put beads on it. 2 flat twisters. Look, they're beads. I like beads. First part is done. I'm gonna leave this in my hair for a whole day, keeping the beads. And when the back dry, we are going to take it down after school only. And then it will dry. So how do you like it? Put a thumbs up if you like it. You really, really like it. Put thumbs up with a smiley face. with hearts in his eyes.
That is all for you guys today. Thank you guys for tuning in. My hair is so big, I'm covering up her face. Thank you guys for tuning in. I can remember when I first started doing videos and this little munchkin was just a tiny little baby, smaller than Elliot right now. And look at her now. She's gonna be taller than me before she turns double digits. That's how big she is. She's growing up so much.
Thank you guys again for watching. Hope you like this video. Press the subscribe button.
What's the notification button?
That little bell.
That little bell. Click the little bell so you know, hey, when we're uploading.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. What's wrong? Are you ticklish?
We'll reveal it, flippers, and we will reveal it to you. Phew! Review it, or revic it. What? I don't know how to say that word.